Hey everybody, it's Davida with WTI, and I am so excited to tell you about one of my favorite chocolate bars. I'm a big chocolate fan. This is the Pacari chocolate. This is 100% Ecuadorian chocolate, and this is in the passion fruit flavor. If you're not familiar with passion fruit, you can see it here in the picture. The best way I can describe it to you is like a citrusy fruit in a way that is sweet but also tart. It's not overly sweet, it's not overly sour, it's just perfect. So this is a perfect combination to mix with chocolate. This is 60% cacao, and the ingredients are super clean. They're all organic, and there's very few ingredients like organic cane sugar, organic cocoa butter, organic passion fruit. So really great clean ingredients. Let me show you what the chocolate bar looks like. It comes in a package like this. I've eaten most of it, so I won't show you the whole thing, but they come in little squares like this. So you can just literally break off a square, and it's so good that I probably only eat 1 or 2 squares at a time and I'm satisfied, which is not often that happens to me with most chocolate. So I hope you guys enjoy it just as much as I do, and that's my point of view.